Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock from a carcass. Start by breaking the carcass into pieces and rinsing any excess fat. Add cold water to cover bones and simmer gently for 4 to 6 hours. Skim foam early and occasionally to keep the liquid clear. Add salt near the end, then cool quickly and refrigerate or freeze in portions for soups, risottos, and sauces. In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock from a carcass. Combine carcass pieces, aromatics, and cold water in a large pot or slow cooker. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook low and slow to extract flavor without clouding the stock. Avoid boiling and add salt at the end to control seasoning. Strain through a fine sieve, discard solids, and cool quickly to preserve freshness and gelatin content. In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock from a carcass. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes while you cook, with bright display and long battery life. It's perfect for splatter-prone kitchens. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock from a carcass. Roast bones for 20-30 minutes if you want a darker, more savory stock, or simmer raw for a cleaner flavor. Keep the heat low and cook for 4 to 6 hours, checking occasionally. Strain and cool promptly, then portion into containers or ice cube trays for easy use. Label and date before freezing for later convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.